Hi guys, welcome back. So kakabalik ko lang ng dorm dahil of course Cavite. Dapat wala talaga akong pasok today or up until katapusan of the month. Ngayon pa is April 16. Wala akong pasok kasi online class lang talaga dahil sobrang taas ng heat index para umuwi ako ng dorm kasi wala akong matapos sa bahay. I don't know, feeling ko lagi na lang ako nasa bakasyon kapag nasa bahay ako. So ngayon, it's currently 2:30 I think. Nakarating-rating ko lang. And I'm gonna cook my lunch, late lunch. Nakita ko lang ito sa TikTok, so let's try. It's like chicken with milk and mushroom. So I'm gonna try it out. Hello guys, so first we're gonna fry the chicken and then on the same pan we're gonna put the onion and garlic, saute, and then put the mushroom and then saute again, and then after a while we're gonna put the fried chicken and put a little bit of water down and let it boil, and after that just put the milk and the chicken cubes and then you're done. I'm gonna put the recipe after.
Next day.
Good morning guys. So, um, update, hindi ko pa rin nababasa yung Akilog. Iyak na talaga ako. Like, girl, it's currently 8 a.m. I woke up kanina, 6 ganyan. So, pagbukas talaga ng mata ko, sister, tingnan ko agad yung Jonap app ko. Okay na yung Akilog. Wala pa din. Paano na? Ayoko na makintay. What the fuck? What's wrong with IT people na mga nagtatrabaho sa Jonap? Bro, update your OS, update your features kasi it's stressing me out. And aside from that, you took so long to troubleshoot the problem, huh? Oh my gosh. It's almost like 12 hours na. Magto 12 hours na hindi nyo pa rin na bibigyan ng solusyon yung problem. Like, what is wrong with you? Oh my god. I can't wait anymore. But anyway, may a-attendan akong event today. Medyo late na ako kasi nakatulog ako. 8:50 yung registration and 8 a.m. na. But I feel like hindi na kami aabot doon kasi yung mga blockmates ko din is nasa biyahe pa. So baka mga 9:30 na kami mag-register since 10 pa naman yung dating na guest. So, yun lang. Kakain muna ako and then hopefully, pag uwi ko from my seminar, mabasa ka ng Akilog. And also, dinilit ko yung Jonap app ko kasi sabi ko, I thought, I need to delete this. Baka kasi hindi lang nag-update yung application ko. Baka the problem is me, my phone, right? So, I deleted it. I uninstalled it and then na-install ko na naman. Girl, the problem is with them. I can't even log in my account or even sign up with another account. Kasi nga, there's a problem with the application. So, ITP pag software team. Oh my gosh, do your best. I want to read. Give me my Arilog. My God! Lumabas na kami ng seminar pagtapos namin kumuha ng pagkain. Ay, ito na. Hindi kayo bumili? Nakuha stickers?
Sulong.
Isa lang?
Mag-a-apply ka pa na ano. May iba.
Hey guys. So, it's Friday today. And supposedly may class ako kanina 6 up until 9 p.m. and it's currently, I think, 7:30. And I'm eating my dinner. This is braised pork Taiwanese version. I cooked it. Sa first clip yun. And then, I'm eating my dinner now quickly because I am going home to Cavite but not in our home. I'm going sa tita ko. Mm. My mom's side na sister. I'm going there because we're going to Laguna. And yun lang. Marami akong natapos kagahapon. So, even though marami pa rin akong backlogs up until today, I think it's fine umuwi na ako kasi marami naman ako natapos. And also, wala na akong data so I need to go home. And by the way guys, I have new intro. Nakita ko lang yun sa TikTok and it's free template. So I used it. So whoever did that template, edit, thank you po. Yun lang. Bye, I need to eat fast. Joke lang pala guys. Nasa unang tip, hindi pala yung braised pork. It was, I think, chicken creamy chicken with mushroom. Nakita ko din yung recipe sa TikTok and hindi ata ako nakapag-video ng tasteless. So, I'm sorry. What I'm thinking is braised pork. Hindi ko rin ata na videohan pero the recipe is so easy to follow. You just have to caramelize the sugar and then gisa the baboy. And then on the same pan, you gisa the garlic and the onion. Then again, put the baboy and then let it kulo and put water and Sprite and then let it kulo again. And then after that, you put oysters and toyo. It's kind of sweet, but I think it is supposed to be like this. So my rate is 8/10. It is like adobo but sweeter version.